Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this origami dragon. All you're gonna need is an A4 size sheet of paper or a square sheet of paper, it doesn't matter. So what you're gonna do is you wanna bring this edge to this edge and make a triangle, like so. Then what you want to do is turn over your paper and fold this edge up along this edge, and you want to make sure that it aligns with the bottom edge here, like so. You want to make that nice and strong. You want to flip it over, unfold the fold you just did. Unfold everything and then fold this line again. You want to make sure your folds are nice and strong. I like to use my fingernails. And then what you want to do is rip the piece of paper so that you have a square. You can use scissors as well. You don't really need these. So what you're gonna do is you have this fold here, and you want to do the exact opposite. So fold this point here to this point there. Like so. Then you want to unfold like this and turn the paper over. Now you're going to want to fold this edge here up to this edge, like so. Unfold and do the same thing. This edge to this edge. Then what you want to do is you want to hold your paper like this, and then as you can see, this part is going to pop up like that a little bit. You want to push like so, and then as you can see, you're going to get a shape like this, like a cross. You want to push everything flat like so. So now you get a diamond. The inside should look like this. Now, you want to fold this edge to this edge, to the middle line, like this. Then you want to do the same thing on this side. Now you're going to want to fold this edge, this point down along this line, along this line that we just made, like so. Remember guys, to make your lines nice and strong, you want to unfold everything up to this point here. Now we're going to bring this point up. We're going to fold this point up along this edge here. So you want to fold it like that. And the paper won't lie flat. So now what you want to do is bring this point to the middle line and this point to the middle line. Like so. Like that. Then fold everything down like this. you want to turn your paper over and fold this edge to this edge, like this. And then do the same thing. Unfold, and then fold this point up along this edge like you did on the other side, like so. So you want to fold on that line there, like this, and just do the exact same as the other side. Bring this down. Now this is probably one of the hardest steps of the build. I'm going to bring this point to this middle point right there. This. And make this fold nice and strong. It's very important for the next step. I'm going to turn the paper over and copy that exact same fold on the other side. This. Then, this is the hardest part. You're gonna grab these two flaps, like this, and you wanna pull it apart until you have this nice little square in the middle, on top. You wanna go through along all these lines and just fold them back to its original shape. Then what you want to do is you want to push this point down like so, creating two little triangle folds like that. And you just want to squeeze everything tight like that. And you should have something that looks like this. Then you want to fold this point up along this line, like this, to the top. Then you want to fold this edge along this edge, creating a triangle, like so. You want to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, like this. Unfold. And now you want to fold along here, but only up to the middle point, and then do the same thing here up to the middle point. And you just want to push down on these two sides and pinch here. And fold. Like so. Alright, now you want to turn the paper over and do the exact same thing on this side. So fold it up, and then bring this edge to this line here. Like so. Unfold and bring this edge to the same edge. Then you want to fold these two lines like this, and then pinch. These will be the wings. So now what you want to do is to go to this side where the wings are on the opposite side. You're going to open this up like this, and then bring this point and fold it along this line here, like this. And you want to make sure that your fold is in line with that line there. Then you want want to bring the middle line up to this line here, like so. And then you want to push down on this line here. Then you want to pinch this, like this, pinch it tight, and then you want to push down on this part and just fold back like so. Now you'll have something like this. Then you want to go ahead and move the wings to this side over here and do the same thing here. So fold this along that line over there, like this. Bring this line to the edge there. There, and then push on this part. And the model should look like this. Then you're gonna grab this edge and fold it to this edge there. Make sure you only grab one of these flaps, like so. Do the same thing on all four sides. Grab the edge, bring it up, inching your way. And then just squeezing this. Model should look like this. Now, what you want to do is to open one of these sides up, it doesn't matter. Open it like that. And put your index there. Put your thumb underneath on the middle line. And just fold up like that, creating a shape like that. Then what you want to do is to push down here, creating something like that. This will be the neck of the dragon. Then you want to fold down, creating the head, hinging there. And then you just want to fold this up. So, creating a head like that. Then you want to fold the legs. So you're going to grab this point and just fold it down. Turn it over and do the same thing. Then you want to bring the wings forward. So, and do the same thing here. Turn it over. Do the same thing. Now you want to fold the wings. So you're just gonna grab this and just fold it anywhere you like it, any angle. It's up to you. Do the same thing on both wings. It should look like this. Now this step is optional. You want to put your index into the tail like this, creating like a little hole, like so. Now that you have this hole, you want to just push like so, and then just fold everything tight. Like that. It should look like that. Then you want to do the same thing a little higher on the tail. And it's done. Thank you for watching.